This is the pepper spray from FightSense, and I needed this for my wife because she travels a ton and I'm not able to be with her all the time, and I needed some form of protection so that I can ensure she's gonna be safe and also feel confident when she's by herself. So this is the pepper spray from FightSense, and I ended up getting the nice like bedazzled pink one. I thought it would be pretty cool. It actually has a safety right here. I don't wanna like aim it towards my eyes, but if you push that to the side, it'll unlock it and then you'll be able to spray it, and that is totally locked. So it's not gonna go off without you wanting it to. Also does come with a nice keychain, so you can just throw this on your keys wherever you are. If you're walking back from a grocery store, at a hotel, you're going to your car, keep your keys in your hand, keep this in your hand. Anyone comes up to you, spray this. This actually ranges up to 14 feet in distance. All you gotta do is just aim for the head. If you get them in the face, the mouth, the eyes, they are not gonna know what's going on because this is actually police grade. This stuff is very potent and it's gonna drop somebody to their knees and they're gonna have a hard time breathing. And this actually has an expiration date up to 4 years of it being good, of the potency of the formula in here, just so you're aware. So if you do buy this, know that you're gonna wanna replace this every 4 years to make sure that this thing is potent and it works. So whenever you spray this, there is a lot in here, but it's very pressurized system to go up to 14 feet. So there's a lot in here, but it's gonna shoot out very quickly. So you're gonna get about 4 to 5 seconds of spray time before this thing's completely empty. So you just want to spray around and make sure you're hitting that opponent within 4 seconds. You are going to be completely solid. FightSense has a lifetime warranty and a guarantee on their products, so you know that you're backed by a great company. These are trusted from people all over the world. This is going straight on my wife's keys, and I'm going to make sure she keeps this on her at all times. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped, and I'll see you in the next one.